Why are bees so important for life? Intro hook lines. Imagine waking up one day. Supermarkets are empty. No fruits, no vegetables. Flowers are gone. And the world feels silent. This is not a movie scene. This could be the reality of a world without bees. So, how can such a small creature be so important to human life? In this video, you will discover why bees are essential for our survival. Main content: bees are not just insects that make honey. They are nature's hidden heroes. Nearly 75% of the world's crops depend on pollination, and bees are the most important pollinators on the planet. Apples, strawberries, almonds, cherries, sunflowers, ecosystems. Without it, plants fail, animals lose food sources, and humans are affected last but hardest. Bees are also guardians of biodiversity. They help forests regenerate, support grasslands, and maintain natural balance. When bees decline, biodiversity collapses. Unfortunately, bees are in serious danger today. Pesticides, climate change, habitat destruction, and human activities are rapidly reducing bee populations worldwide. Scientists warn that in some regions, bee numbers have reached critical levels. If bees disappear, humans will only survive a few years. It may sound extreme, but considering the role bees play, it is not unrealistic. Bees don't just give us honey, they give us life. Conclusion and message: bees may be small, but their impact is enormous. Protecting bees means protecting our future. Every flower, every tree, and every living being depends on them. The balance of nature hangs by a thread, and that thread is bees. Subscribe and like Call to Action if you care about nature, animals, and our planet. And share your thoughts in the comments. Let's build a more conscious world together. See you in the next video.